Now, if you were smart, you'd go over there and never come back. But I've seen your GCSEs, and you don't know the difference between there, and there.
Everything okay, my love?
Yes, Gromit. Do you want to tell me any top secret information about the PM?
I'd be delighted. What's that smell? It smells of gun residue.
New perfume.
He's dead. John. Cigarette? Yes, we know about your toy boy.
I was careful.
You left a trace.
Can I tell you a secret?
You can tell me anything.
I love you. I'm going to avenge him.
You've known him for 3 months.
Exactly.
Darling, you stink of cigarettes.
New perfume. Go to sleep, love.
Hello, darling. I'm going to be home late.
No worries, darling. Late night, my ass.
I'm compromised.
I'm on my way. Kids! Stay in bed and stay asleep. If a trigger man comes, then hide under the bed.